Holy Gabriel, Holy Raphael, Holy Ure. Baba bless me, may the envy, the boy that is flexing, the money resting. Elijah, send down fire.
Maranatha, body the grace. When she look in my eyes, I shiver. But if you try, keep my defense. But I feel like inside my liver. I don't really care about nothing. Your body irritation, nice. So we don't.
Alright, I just came back and it's time for another grocery haul. Do not judge. I got this. This should last me for a whole semester. I got this for my breakfast. I got some foam bath. I'm trying this one out. I've never used it. It smells so nice. I've already like sugar. Then I got powdered milk, washing liquid. I got this soap. I also got bread, knives. I got a swab, got a tray of meat, and I have to cook it today, praying and hoping that it doesn't get spoiled. I got these from Checkers. Coffee and some lotion. I'm also trying this one out. I think I've done most of the grocery shopping by now. The only thing left is rice, and then I have to buy meat when I get a fridge. So that will be chicken, beef, pork, and roast. Hi, I know this is very random, but I'm going on a piercing date. Okay, so it's Friday today. My friend and I are going to Belleville and we're going to do piercings. I can't wait to show you guys what kind of piercing I'm gonna get, but like, it's gonna eat. Anyways, this is my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. Crop top. And then I'm wearing these pants. Ooh, I don't think you guys can see them. But yeah. This is what I'm wearing, and I'm wearing these black boots, and then I'm gonna carry this handbag. You look nice. I like.
You can see there's vac, there's spray, so it is correct. On this side, on and off, if you don't hear this sound, you know it's the wrong one. So that's medium speed, and now you can see I stopped there, so I'm overlapping with my next one. Now I don't want to see that or that because then you're dragging the skin. So make sure you put down, lift and move.
Hi guys, I just came back from campus. Now it's around 4 in the afternoon and I'm so tired. I'm just gonna rest a bit, make something to eat and just wait for the sun to go down, and then I'm gonna go get my fridge. I think it's about time I go get it now because really I can't do anything. I can't even cook because I don't have meat, you know. And also, like, sometimes I just be craving something cold, and like I can't drink tap water. Like, tap water is not nice, so I just prefer cold water, and I can't do that because I don't have a fridge. So I'm gonna go get my fridge today, and then yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to vlog that. I just came back and the room looks a mess right now, but I finally have the fridge. So just came back now. It's 8 o'clock and yeah, I have the fridge. I'm just waiting for it to cool down, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go buy some meat. This is the view from my room. Yeah. It's so chilled, like I love it so much. This is how my room looks right now. So it's my bed over there, and then my suitcase, wardrobe and cupboard that side, and then there's the fridge, and then that's my study table. I'm not too sure, it's not make sure honestly, but I'm gonna try and find a way to rearrange it. I was thinking of taking this wardrobe and putting it on that wall over there, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do with the cupboard, and then I want to move this bed to that side, and then I'm gonna have to buy an extension cord because this is the only plug that I have on my side. So I'm gonna need an extension cord that side. Guningi guys, guningi, even me I'm confused. Okay, so this is how my room looks right now. Haki show, honestly. I don't know. I think I'm still gonna ask a few people for suggestions, but currently Sla. And I don't know, I think I'm just gonna sleep because I'm tired now. Guys, mina ngizohlanya at this point. I just came back from buying this extension cord because like I want to put my fridge that side with the, I want to also buy a study lamp because there's one plug here and I can't do much, so I'm gonna use this extension cord for the fridge and all that. I think it looks so much better now. I'm not sure, because when I'm like sleeping here, this is what I see. Like, I'm quite happy.
The next day.
basically create a story with what you do practically. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Now you do it.
When you do your fade alterations, you're going to use a clean brush or clean finger. And
Does it look like it goes to you? It does too.
I'll pick it up. Pick it up. Okay.
3 different pathways. It's not big circles like that, it's circles around. Now, stretch towards the client, towards the outside, and release. So I'm twisting and I'm releasing, twisting and releasing, twisting and releasing. Okay. This hand will follow, but it doesn't do any twist. Then we've got the rest of the head. So the rest of the head covers the big side.